baby.
Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What up, my peeps? It's your boy, King's 23 Kicks. Hey, man. Y'all ever have one of them nights where you anticipating something so much to where you can't even sleep? Or if you do go to sleep, you wake up like hella early? Like, y'all remember like that first day of school, that night before, you done laid out your fit, everything, new kicks. You gonna be like, I'm finna kill him. Finna kill him in the morning, man. I'm just having that type of feeling, man, right now, man. I'm having a good day. I'm hoping everybody's having a good day. Man, y'all comment down below. Let me know how y'all feeling today, man. Today, them Jordan 9 things coming out, man. Them red and white, man. The Candy Cane sister. Man, just up early today, man. Moving around. I got a lot of things to do. I got a lot going on today. And the boy just ready for the day, man. I gotta get my car clean, car wash, outlet jazz. I gotta get my oil changed. I gotta go pick up on these daggone shoes that I'm actually about to do in a few ticks. A lot to do, man. I got a lot of things to do, man. I got moves to make today, man. It's one of them Saturdays where I got a lot of things to do, man. But first, man, let me get y'all, man. Y'all smash that like button, man. Y'all smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We're gonna get it in, man. We're gonna get it in. I appreciate y'all, boy, for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? The thing about these Jordan 9s, man, they are first come, first serve. Which I don't mind, because it actually kind of gives me action to get at my pair. But at the same time, y'all know how that goes. First come, first serve is it's a little issue with my size. So we're going to see how that goes, man. We're going to see how that goes. I'm hoping, like I say, man, I'm hoping everybody's having a good day, You boys finna get it. So I made one of my little spots, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna see how this go. Y'all riding with your boy, man. I appreciate y'all boys rocking with your boy. I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. You know what I'm saying? So now it's 9:07. You know, they didn't already dropped online, but you know I gotta go pick up my pair because I gotta get this review out for y'all, man. I gotta get this review out to y'all. That's how we gonna ride with it. Y'all already know, man. I gotta show y'all. Today I'm keeping it real simple. Feed, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all already know bag secure. Yeah. That's going in the trunk. What up? All right. Back inside the kingdom, off in the king's quarters, so I can give y'all guys my review and my take of this Jordan 9. So, grabbing this bad boy back there. Let's pop that top. I like the OG box, but y'all know how it is. I ain't keeping too many boxes, especially with, you know, drop fronts. Just saying. So, popping these bad boys up and then, look at that, man. Look at that right there. That's a bad booger. That's a bad booger right there, man. For all intents and purposes, I know everyone has probably done their early reviews. This was a pair that I was not able to get early as much as I tried. I just wasn't finna go there. Now, when I get early pairs, which I have to understand is, When I get early retail pairs, they costing, and they costing you, boy. And certain shoes, I just feel like I can wait until release day to review them or whatever the case may be. But trust me, getting them early pairs from these retailers or for these plugs, man, they cost you, boy. And a lot of times I'm really not trying to pay what they're trying to do. And I understand it's a business, you know what I'm saying? It's almost like reselling, but if I can wait on it, I'm definitely gonna wait on it. Y'all already know. And especially if I can get it for the low, y'all already know it's a go-go. This is one of these pairs I actually think they might sit, but at the same time, like I've said before, when it comes to my size specifically, I don't know why I just couldn't say that word. It's been a long day. I know it's hard for me to get pairs because they don't give that many when at the stores. Now, with that being said, take that with a grain of salt because I do wear a size 12, and it's definitely not a knock towards my people who wear a bigger foot than have a bigger shoe size than me. Like my man's is Boat Kicks who wears a size 16. I already know it's hard for you, bro. So my heart goes out to you. I had another guy who reached out to me and was talking about, getting sizes, getting his pairs because I think he said he wore a size 14 or 15. It gets hard. I get it. So when we have those pairs that are first come, first serve, I do like to go ahead and try to grab mine early. That's just me. If I feel like the shoe may or may not sit, do I feel like gambling? Do I want to flip a coin? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It depends on what the shoe is and if I really want to cop the shoe. But getting into these bad boys right here, for those who don't know, who are just new to my channel, red is one of my favorite colors, but I'm not a fan of an all red shoe. I do have a couple of all red shoes. Like I have some Adidas, some fly knit Adidas. They're all red, but they're more like a blood red. This is that cherry. These cherry 9s, these boys here are on point. I'm really feeling these bad boys. Like I said before, these are like those Laker 9s and these are like those UNC 9s, but it's just in a red colorway. So checking these bad boys out, I mean, you have this red patent leather. Definitely a fan of patent leather, love it. Just like my went like 96 11s, those cherry red 11s, those are lovely because I love the red and I love patent leather, so it was just like a win-win. You have that stitch 23 in the back, which is super clean to me, stitched into that patent leather with your Jordan Jumpman of the Globe sitting out there with the black pull tab. I love the sock liner that's in the 9s because it does hug your foot and it's real comfortable in my opinion. The leather on here is what your typical 9 leather. It's not like any soft buttery leather, but it is it's a pretty good leather. I mean, it is kind of stiff because this is a basketball shoe and it is for support. You have the eyelets, which are black, white shoestrings. I definitely wouldn't mind throwing some black or red shoestrings in these just to see how they pop. You know what I'm saying? Just to make the shoe just pop out more. With your Air Jordan on the tongue, as y'all see. And of course, you have your sizing tag with the new QR code that comes on the shoes now. So as far as the QR code goes, y'all can definitely expect to see these on more pairs of shoes. They're going to be somewhere on the shoe or somewhere on the box. And to be honest with you, I'm thinking they're going to be more on the tags than anything. So with the tongue construction, you have this that real soft mesh on the tongue. Definitely use your sneaker cleaner or water stain repellent. I'm definitely gonna hit these up before I even touch these. Now when I'm gonna rock these, I have no idea, but when I do bust them out, they're gonna be, your boy gonna have the drip. You have your standard sole print 1994, like when the J's first come out. If anyone knows what that means, I've never known what that meant. In the Asian or Chinese writing or whatever that is. Anyone has any idea what that means or what that says? Comment down below. I'd love to know. Then you know you got your Jordan 2-3 on the back. So Jordan Jumpman in black on the side, and then you know your other side here looking real good, looking real nice and clean. Inside is a black sole with the red Jumpman. Now these are skinny. These are skinnier than the other pairs than Jordan normally does with the inserts. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about these bad boys. Did you go grab them? Did you cop them? Was you gonna wait and sit? Or maybe this ain't what you want to get. This ain't your drip. It is what it is. But for your boy, these are definitely going to get the crown of approval. So matter of fact, that be my thumbnail. Yeah. So that's gonna be my thumbnail. But man, y'all let me know, did y'all grab these bad boys, man? These my pairs are looking pretty good overall. I mean, I don't see too many glue stains. I mean, you can kind of see the glue in them. It's a little bit of glue stains here, but you know that's typical of the Jordan 9. If anyone, y'all comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite 9. What's your favorite colorway in the 9? Mine is going to be. My favorite colorway in the 9, and I actually have to go back and get this shoe, is the UNC 9. Not the one that just came out, with the obsidian. I mean the Carolina blue 9, the UNC 9. Looks just like this, but with the Carolina blue. That is my favorite color in the 9. So anyway, greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure that you boys and you ladies and gents, kings and queens, tune in for the next one. I got a lot of videos coming this week, man, back to back. I got stuff that I need to unbox. I got other stuff that I need to get ready, man. It's just gonna be one of those little quick weeks. I'm trying to get y'all like 3 videos this week, man. So like I always say, to all my kings, stand up, rule your kingdom. And all my queens, stand beside your king. You know what I'm saying? And if you queens are running your household, run your kingdom. You know what I'm saying? It's still the same thing. Y'all run y'all kingdom. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Peace.
Okay, I'm jumping now, looking fresh like a dead man's casket. J's up on my damn feet, and the new ones gotta have it. Closet full of fucking shoes, looking like a shoe bastard. So many damn shoes, they call me a fucking track. J's up on my fucking feet, stuck to me like human teeth. I don't really give a fingers up. Matching hat, matching tee, watch and see like the weather change. A new pair every week. Air Force One, the J's I gotta see on my fucking feet. Doing it big, doing it right. Shit, I can do it all night. Sip and drink, money and bank. Scuff my J's, I make it stink. So you better think before you get close to these damn J's. Have your body decompose like it was hit with a set of A's, and cut your ass up like it was chopped up by a set of blades. Niggas hate, I'm getting paid and make them turn twice. Cause of these real blue J's. Okay. Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. With the J's on the bottom. With the J's on the bottom. With the J's on the bottom.